Alright, so this is a really very flat tire, obviously. I just bought this Power Pack Pro from, what's the place called? Plug and Pack. So Plug and Pack. So basically, you get this right here. You also get the pieces where you can hook it up to your car. All right, but right now in this case, we're going to, fill up the air in this tire. So all you gotta do is take this piece right here that comes with it, screw this piece on, so you don't even have to hold it, you just screw it on right there. All you have to do, and I'm doing this all one-handed, you turn it on, and basically you should be able to put in how much PSIs or pounds of air that needs to go in it. So all you do is push this button right here. So it's showing you how much. So unless you're on the highway, on the side of the road, so right now, you gotta put air in. So we let this cook. Right now, about a minute and 26 seconds in this video. So we're gonna see how long can it take to put air in this tire. Right now we have 9, 10, so it's putting some air in there. So imagine you're on the side of the highway and you need to get some air in your tire. Somehow it went flat and you came outside from the club, or you came outside, from the restaurant. And you come out, it's a flat tire for some reason. And it happens. And now we have 11. Remember, we was at 8. So we have 11. This is right off the box. We got one battery life. So we're going to go all the way up to 36. So imagine you're going to the air pump, and it's about the same speed as the air pump. Like what, where's the one place that I know it's other place? Or we got a gas station. So imagine you got this in your car. You're gonna have to pay those $2, $3 over price air. You get this right here, one time price, you get to go. And this is all in real time. Look, we got 2 minutes and 45 seconds right now from this video. And now we have 15%. 15 PSI right now. While that's going, I'm going to show you some other things on it. So right there, you got input output for you to charge your phone as well. You got this right here. If you open this up, that's where you can plug in the jumper, and also if you hold on to this button right here, you got yourself a light to see what the hell you're doing. That's pretty good for being light too. Right now we got 17% or 17 PSI, she says. 18. This is all in real time right now. Let's cut this out. Kind of safe on the battery. With the charger cable, also comes with the pieces you gotta, you wanna do a ball, do small tires, even if that pool that you